Hello, hi. My name is Pumzile Tobela. I am in the Forever Living business. I am doing Forever Living part-time. Thank you so much for taking the time out just to come and listen and hear more about the business. I really appreciate you coming and just giving yourself just a few minutes that I'm going to share the business. I hope it's going to be fruitful and very informative for you. As I have said now, my name is Pumzile Tobela. I am a stay-at-home mom of 3 kids. I am a former medical admin officer. I have been working as a medical admin officer for I can say maybe 9 years. Yeah, it's 9 years now. I've been working as an admin officer for 9 years now. I am now a full-time entrepreneur. I do the business full-time. I coach people. I help people grow in the business. I have adjusted from being a full-time employee to having the freedom to doing the business through this business. I started this business while I was still working full-time. How I got to know about this business, it all started on my sister's birthday. She was turning 35. We went to celebrate her birthday on a certain hotel in town. At that at that hotel, the same hotel we were celebrating her birthday, we just had lunch there. There was also a presentation, I would say just like this, but it was a live one where people get to share the business, get to share the benefits of the business. We just thought maybe let's go and see how it was going and let's go and see what it's all about. That's when we decided that let's just attend. It's going to take a few minutes. It won't take much. We just have to hear what they're saying. We sat there and listened, and that's the day that changed my mindset about selling, because I never thought I'll be someone who will be interested in selling or doing anything that requires you to talk to people, as I've never liked to start conversations, or even I was never a social person to start with. I decided to join the business because I was in need of extra income. I was working full time. I had my kids. I still needed more money because the money that I was getting from my salary, it was still not enough. I still had to borrow some money. I was living the life where you borrow to pay. That's the life that I was living before I joined the business. You get paid today, you had to pay off some debts, you have to pay off some loans, and you go back to those people and ask for more money just to get by until month end. So it was the kind of life that when I got the opportunity to hear about the business, I knew that it was for me because I needed it for me to be able to work for my family and provide for my family without having to ask for loans, without having to bother anyone about helping me to provide for my family. That's when I decided that no, I needed this business. I needed this business to help me with the freedom to be with my family and also be there for them financially, even emotionally. I needed to be able to support my family. So I decided, no, this is the business for me to be able to support my family. I joined the business while I was still working full time as an admin officer. This is how I lost my job. I lost my job just by email. I got an email at work that my job has been terminated. My employment has been terminated. It was such a hard thing to understand or even to get by, because I was so sure that no, I've got this job. I'm gonna be working this job for a while now. So I was planning on doing some things. I had plans. I had everything planned for me and my job. So suddenly it all changed. I was already in the business. So instead of being heartbroken, instead of feeling like this is the end of the world, I felt that because I already had a backup plan, this is my time to use my backup plan as a full-time job. I didn't have the time to sit and feel vulnerable for myself and feel sorry for myself. Feeling sorry wasn't part of the plan. Feeling sorry was for me to wake up and understand that now it's my time to do what I was already doing, but do it 100%. No longer part time, no longer doing it just because I want an extra money. Now it's my bread. Now it's the money that I need to get by with my kids and to get by with my family. I started looking at it like a new beginning, not like an ending, not like something that it's the worst thing that has happened to me. It wasn't difficult for me to shift from being full time at work and being a full-time business person because I was already earning the extra income from the business and I was already growing in my business. The confidence grew even higher because I was now doing the business full-time and able to support my my team and also being able to support the customers that I am selling the product to. When they need more time, they need me to have time for them. I am always there for them and always ready to serve my customers because being full time also gives you the opportunity to be able to work with your customers. My life now, since I have lost my job, I have improved in confidence. My leadership and communication skills are improving since I have now taken the time to do the business full time. My personal growth and I'm also inspiring others with showing them that it is doable. It is something that you can also do, and it is also something that can also change your life. Today I'm doing the business full time and I'm able to take care of my family and also spend time with my kids. I help others also create the freedom that I have found since I have been doing this business full time. It's a wonderful feeling knowing that people are always there to support and you're always there to also show them the support that they need for them to also grow. You can't be growing alone. Once you understand that we need to all of us grow because we all have needs, we all have things that we wish to do with our time, with our finances. So when you get someone who can help you grow there, it's also a very great privilege. The Forever story, Forever has been around the world for over 45 years now. It is a global and health wellness company. It is trusted in over 160 countries. We sell nutrition products, aloe vera, skincare, weight management, personal care, and more. All of those products, you can't be missing any customers because we sell for kids, pensioners, everyone can use our product. We have skincare. They can use the skincare, or maybe someone wants to lose weight or even gain weight. We have products of weight management. All our products are aloe based, which makes them organic. So it's easy to get customers. It also helps with your health also. Your kids, your family, when using those products, they all get the healthy results from using the product, which is also beneficiary for you and your family. Why do we use aloe? We use the inner gel from the aloe leaf. There are no added sugars or artificial colors. The aloe plant is grown in Forever's own plantations, which means Forever doesn't owe anyone for their plantations where the aloe is planted. They have the right to the plantations, the farms, the soil, everything that they use, they own it. It is scientifically tested and certified by independent bodies like International Aloe Science Council. We know it's very difficult to get that certified stamp from the aloe cancer, because they have to be sure that you are using 100% aloe without any preservative. And that is what Forever is. They don't put anything else. It's all the aloe that they plant for themselves. And it's all the aloe that they put in all the products that we are using. What is Forever? Forever's mission is to help people look and feel better and live better. As I have said, in Forever Living, once you join the business, you are able to use the product. Once you use the product, you are able to also feel better and live better, because your health is also improving. Your skincare is also improving. We do this both through better health and financial freedom, because when we have money, that's when we also feel good, and we also our health is also doing better, because we are still using the product. What do we do in Forever? In Forever, we have four things that we do that everyone who sells Forever, we do all these four things to help us grow and teach us be better in the business. To be successful in the business, you need to use the product. Using the product is when you have decided maybe you can use the skincare, or maybe you can use the weight loss management, or any of our products that you think you can use and start advertising by yourself, and also get the health benefits from those products, because we also need the health benefits. We don't just need to use the product just for advertisement, we also use for the benefits. Once you're using the product, that's when you decide to share and sell the product. People, when they see how you are improving, how your skin is improving, if you're using the skincare range, and they also ask how you get to look so beautiful, how you get to have so much this wonderful glow that you have. That's when you share the product. You share with them, I am using this product. I have been using this product since I have joined the business. I can sell the product for you if you need it. Then people buy the product from you. That's when you get in profit from selling those products and sharing the product benefits with those people. Once that person understands the product and uses the product, and they also have people asking them about the product, they then decide, no, I don't want to send customers to you. I feel that I can also join and sell to my own customers without sharing, without telling you about my customers and giving you customers that came to me and asked for the product. That's when you decide, then you have others join the team, and you also help them grow in the business. When you build your team, we also coach our team, which helps us grow. That is developing your team and helping them do the same thing that you have been doing. In developing your team, they also grow, they make money, like you are also making money in the business, and they're also using the products like you are also using the products, and sharing the benefits with other people. That is the circle of what we do in this business. There is no other way around it. We use the product, we share the product, we build a team by recruiting people. We also help our team grow by helping them develop in the business. We help people look better, feel better, and live better while building financial freedom. That is a great reason why we do this, because we all want some financial freedom in our lives. So while we are using those products and sharing the benefits of those products, we are also building a team and helping them also build their financial freedom through this business. We have two ways to start the business. When you are interested in joining the business, we have two joining options, which can be a half member or full member. Half member is when you start small. You can buy products from 1,500. When you're buying those products, you buy them in a discounted price, which is 5%. And when you come again and buy more products, you still get the discounted price of 5% when you join as a half member. This is when you decide, maybe I just want to see how this business goes. I just want to try the product. I want to see how people react, how I get customers. When you join as a half member, you get training, you get the full support, you also get coaching on how to build your business, on how you can also be successful through this business. You also get a chance to be able to be part of the community to help you grow and also make money. The second option, the second joining option is full member. Full members, you get the full starter pack, which is Iboxio Dumo. You pay 7,110 when you become a full member. You also get a 30% discount when buying products. You get the full range, which is the 10 most selling products in South Africa, which are inside the box. You earn the bonuses. You are able to build a team. When you join as a full member, you are able to recruit people and talk to people about the business, about joining the business. Then they can also join, be on your team. Or on a half member, you can test and use the product, which is also a good idea. When you become a half member, I can also work with you to become a full member, to also be able to earn more, and also be able to build a team and recruit people. We can start small and also grow to be big, or you can even start with the full package and be a full member at once and get all the benefits. When we're joining the business, we have our global point system, which we use as a currency in Forever. We call it case credits, which are CCs. The case credits are Forever's living global point system, which measures your sales and growth. So when you want to see how your sales are growing, or how you are growing in the business, we use the case credits. It's used for promotions, bonuses, and international tracking. Whether you are in South Africa, the UK, or USA, 1cc means the same thing everywhere. There's no doubt. If you talk to someone in the UK and ask them how many case credits they have, if they say they have 1cc, which means it's easy for you to understand which level they are in the business or where their sales are. If someone says, I have sold 1cc in my business today, it becomes easier for you to understand how much that person has sold, because every product, every recruit, or everything in Forever has its own CCs. The product has different CCs on each and every product. Even when you buy the box, you decide to buy the box and become a full member, the box also has its own CCs. How do we accumulate the CCs every month? You can accumulate CCs by using the product when you buy the product to use for yourself. You can also accumulate CCs by selling. When you sell products for profits, that's also a way to accumulate CCs. And when you're recruiting new people on your team, you also accumulate CCs, because those people, when they buy the product, they also get CCs. Those CCs also fall under your name, because those people have joined the business on your name. In Forever Living, we have a minimum requirement, which is 4cc a month, which you can also accumulate by using and selling and also recruiting. So in all those three ways, that's how we get to accumulate CCs and to see how your sales are going and to also know your growth in the business. Our success formula in the business, I'm gonna share with you on how you can know how your business is going and how we make money in the business. We make money in the business by with this example. It's an example of our signature product, the alu bottle. The alu bottle, we sell it for 560. When you sell one bottle per day, you get a profit of 168 rand 42 cents. That's a profit you get from selling just one bottle. This example is when you have joined as a full member, not a half member. It's when you have joined as a full member and you are in this business as a full member, getting the 30% discount when buying products. When you have sold one bottle and you decide now, no, one bottle is not one profit. A profit of one bottle is not enough for me. I need to sell maybe 2 bottles a day. When you sell 2 bottles a day, the profit goes up to 336 rand 83 cents. That profit is what you get for selling just 2 bottles a day. When you decide to do the same thing for 7 days, that's selling 2 bottles every day for 7 days. Then your profit is going to be 2,357 rand 83 cents. That's the profit just for selling 14 bottles, which is 2 bottles every day for 7 days. When you decide to continue with that with your selling strategy and you sell 60 bottles for a month, which is 2 bottles every day for 30 days, then you get to have a profit here 10,105 rand 20 cents. That's when you have sold 60 bottles in 30 days. That's a lot of profit. It's just profit. It's not your stock price, or it's just the profit you get from selling. When you have sold that those bottles, those 60 bottles for a month, then your case credit it goes to 6.12, which means you have now went over the minimum requirement from the company. You didn't just do 4 cc, you went and went over and did 6 cc's. Because you have done your 6 cc's, the company on the 15 will now give you a boost bonus of 2,116 rand, which is a 5% boost bonus from the money you have spent when buying your stock. At that same month, when 2 people decide that they also want the 10,000 profit that you have received from selling your products, you also give them a draft on the business, and they decide to join. Once they join the business with a box tumo each, they join with the 7,000. The business then gives you a new recruiting bonus, a preferred customer bonus of 3,247, which is 1.6 each person when they join the business. Then the whole 30 days, the money the income that you would have accumulated when selling all those products and achieving the minimum requirements in the business, and also getting boost bonus, and also getting the once-off bonus when recruiting, it's going to be 15,469 rand, which is your income for that month, and your sisters would have be 10 cc. 10 cc also allows you to move to a supervisor level. You move from assistant supervisor to being a supervisor in just 30 days, just by selling the 60 bottles and also recruiting 2 people. When you're recruiting 2 people, they each accumulate 2 cc's, which they each fall under your name, And because they both have 2 CCs, it's now 4 CCs, and there's 6 CCs from selling, which gives you the 10 CCs to move to supervisor level. That is how we get to make money in the business. They just use these products as an example. We have many more products, which also gives profits for you to be able to earn like this. Our marketing plan, which we use in the business, which shows you on which level you are and the level that you want to be. As you can see here, it does ask, where do you want to be? It's a question that you need to ask yourself for you to be able to know which level that you are going to, which level you are working for. As you can see on the slide, we have the preferred customer. The preferred customer is when you join as a half member. When you have bought your first stock, you become a preferred customer in the business where you get the 5% discount. If you have bought a stock for 1,500, you is going to be in the preferred customer rad cycle. When you have bought eBoxio Tumo and you are a full member, that's when you become an assistant supervisor. That is next to the red circle. Assistant supervisor, that's when you become a full member and you get 30% discount when buying products from the business. You also get 25% for preferred customer profits, which means if you have someone under you who's a half member, you get to 25% of what they spend on their business. You also get a 5% boost bonus, which you get from on the 15. It's a 5% on what you have spent to what you have spent in your business. To achieve assistant supervisor, you have to do 2 CCs in 2 months, which you can do if you have joined as a half member. You can work your way up in 2 months, so you can also achieve these wonderful benefits, and you can also be able to work on having a team for yourself, because as soon as you are assistant supervisor, you are eligible for you to recruit and also build on your business. The next step is a supervisor. Supervisor, that's when you get 38% discount when you are buying products, which is 8% more from assistant supervisor. You still get the 25% from the preferred customers. You also get 8%. The 8% is when you have an assistant supervisor on your team, you get 8% on their purchases. Oh, sorry. You get 8% on their purchases. And you also get 3% in the assistant supervisor. You get 8% on the preferred customers purchases. You get 3% on the assistant supervisor purchases. Sorry about that. You can achieve supervisor by doing 10 CCs in 1 month. Then you are a supervisor and you get the 30% discount. The next level is assistant manager. Assistant manager is when you get 43% discount when buying products, which is more than what you have started with. You still get the 25% for a preferred customer. You get 30% volume bonus. You get 5% supervisor group retail. You get 8% assistant supervisor group retail, which is more than what you were getting when you were a supervisor. To be an assistant manager, you need to have 60 CCs in 2 months, which you can accumulate with your team, because you would have recruited people from the assistant supervisor level, and in the supervisor level you're still recruiting, assistant manager still recruiting, and you work with your team to achieve those CCs. The next level is manager level. Manager level, you get the discount of 48% when buying products. You still get 25% from the preferred customer. You get 18% volume bonus. You get 5% on assistant manager group. If you have assistant manager on your team, you get 5% on their retail purchases. You get a bonus of 10% from a supervisor group. When you have supervisors in your team, when they do purchases, you get 10% of those. You also get 13% on assistant supervisor group retail purchases, which is when you have assistant supervisors in your team, you get 30% from their purchases. You can be a manager. Sorry, you can be a manager in 2 months or 4 months. In 2 months, you have to do 120 cc's to be a manager. In 4 months, you have to do 150 cc's for you to be a manager. We have incentives in the company. Once you decide to join the company, then you are also able to work and be able to achieve some or even all of the incentives that we have in the company. We have a Forever to Drive, which allows you to buy the car of your dream, or to even start dreaming as soon as you join the business on which car you want to drive. We have different levels on the incentives on which you can achieve. You can be on level 1, level 2, level 3. All these levels, they have different amounts on which you can get once you achieve. They even have different requirements. Level 1, you have to do 50 cc's, then 100 cc's, then 150 cc's to get 7,000 per month for 36 months. In level 2, you have to do 75 cc's, 150 cc's, 225 cc's to get 10,500 per month for 36 months. Level 3, you have to do 100 cc's, 200 cc's, 300 cc's, which gives you 14,000 for 36 months every month. That money, you can buy a car, or you can put on your savings. You can renovate your home. You can do anything with those amounts. It's not forced for you to buy a car, but if you want to buy a car, you can buy a car. You can get that money for 3 years, which will help you pay off that car also. We also have 3 trips every year in the company. We have the first trip, which is level up. Level up, that's when all the achieving of business owners, they go to the Dominican Republic and experience where the aloe is planted, and experience how the aloe is processed from the plantation to the packaging. They experience everything, which allows them to feel the experience and enjoy the experience of being in the plantations and in the packaging processes. We also have Eagle Managers Retreat. Eagle Managers Retreat is also a retreat, as it says, for all qualifying managers to be able to go into the a beautiful place around the world. They pick any place around the world every year for managers to attend and also enjoy. We also have a Global Rally. Global Rally also happens once a year, where any beautiful place, exotic place, it's picked and the managers go and enjoy there. In the Global Rally, they also have where the qualifying managers, they go there and also get to be paid out a bonus for that year they have worked. So if you have been working on your business and doing great in your business, it's also a great way for you to earn your bonus and also enjoy with the company. All those trips, they give you an option for you to attend with a +1. You don't have to go alone. You can attend with a +1. Anyone can come with you. You can choose who you want to go and take them to any of those trips. I'm sure you're asking yourself, will it work for you? Work for me? yes, it's gonna work for it. Certainly will work for you. You have to be willing to think big. You have to be willing to dream and commit and having regular customers and building your team. It's all about commitment and it's all about having time and also having a great attitude while doing the business. If you're self-motivated and willing to learn and willing to listen to your sponsor or the person who helped you in the business to join the business, you are going to be successful in this business. Thank you so much. We have come to the end of our session now. I am really looking forward to welcoming you to our family. Please go to the person who has invited you and ask more if you have any questions or concerns about the business. This is a great business where you will never regret yourself. Just you have to put in the work. You have to listen to your sponsor. You have to do what you are told and ask questions if you feel like you are stuck. But it's a learning curve for everyone. It's a growing process. We just enjoying it and growing financially, even personally. Thank you so much for taking the time. I hope you have learned so much about this business. I am sure that you will be also inspired to go to the person who invited you and share with them how you have been inspired with all of this. So thank you so much.